How to include your page to similar suggestion when people are searching for pages. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off similar page suggestions. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app, go to your page, and now all you need to do is click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on general, which is the first option. Here all you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find similar page suggestions to include your page when recommending similar pages people might like on a page timeline. Click on or off whatever you are comfortable with. And this is it. This is how you turn on similar page suggestions. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.